Welcome back to JODA Decor, your go-to source for vintage decor inspiration. Today, we're diving deep into how you can curate a vintage home that tells a unique and personal story in every single room. If you love transforming spaces with character, charm, and a touch of history, you're in the right place. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and drop a comment to share your favorite vintage find. Every vintage home should begin with a personal narrative. Think about the eras, colors, or memories that inspire you, whether it's your grandmother's 1940s kitchen, a romantic Parisian apartment, or a rustic farmhouse from your hometown. Your vision will guide every choice you make. A cohesive color palette keeps your vintage decor from feeling chaotic. Draw inspiration from aged photographs, vintage textiles, or classic paint swatches. Muted tones, warm neutrals, and faded pastels work beautifully to create that nostalgic atmosphere. Don't be afraid to blend items from different decades, but do it with intention. A mid-century armchair can live happily beside a Victorian side table if there's a unifying element like wood tone or fabric pattern. It's all about balance. One or two bold vintage pieces in each room can serve as a focal point: a dramatic chandelier, a carved wardrobe, or an antique writing desk. These items instantly draw the eye and spark curiosity. Vintage decor comes alive when you layer textures. Think lace curtains, worn leather chairs, wool rugs, and embroidered cushions. Combine these with period patterns like florals, stripes, or damask to create depth and warmth. Thrift stores, flea markets, estate sales, and even online auctions are treasure troves for vintage pieces. The thrill is in the hunt. Every item you find carries a story and a bit of history into your home. Some vintage items need a little love before they shine. A gentle cleaning, a fresh coat of paint, or new upholstery can bring a piece back to life while preserving its charm. Always respect the craftsmanship of the original design. Mix in items from your own life, old family photos, handwritten letters, travel souvenirs. These personal touches weave your history into the broader vintage narrative of your home. Lighting transforms a vintage space. Swap out modern bulbs for warm, soft ones. Incorporate vintage lamps, sconces, or even candlelight to give each room a romantic, time-worn glow. Arrange small collections, like vintage books, ceramics, or perfume bottles, on shelves or tables. These little displays tell many stories within the bigger story of your home. Part of the beauty of vintage decor is its imperfections, the worn edges, the faded paint, the slight dents. These marks of time add authenticity and soul to your home, so embrace them fully. Curating a vintage home isn't about filling it with old things, it's about weaving together memories, history, and personal style to create a space that truly feels alive. Every room becomes a chapter in your home story. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to JODA Decor, give it a like, and share your favorite vintage decorating tip in the comments below.